Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the default mail app on your iPhone or iPad. This means you can choose which email app opens automatically whenever you tap on an email link or try to send an email from another app. I'm recording this on an iPad Pro, but the steps are exactly the same on iPhone. Right now, I'm on the home screen. First, open the Settings app. Once Settings is open, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. Inside the Apps section, you'll see a list of all installed applications. Now scroll down and tap on Mail. After opening Mail settings, scroll a little bit down. Here you'll find an option called Default Mail App. Tap on it. Now you'll see a list of email apps installed on your device, such as Apple Mail, Gmail, Outlook, or any other supported app. Simply select the app you want to set as your default mail app. Once selected, tap the back button. And that's it. Your default mail app has been successfully changed. Now let me quickly explain what changes after this. From now on, whenever you tap on an email link or choose to send an email from another app, your device will automatically open the mail app you selected. You can still use other email apps normally, but this one will be the system default. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more quick iPhone and iPad tips. Thanks for watching.